I used to jump into random coins and pray. No strategy, no filters, just vibes and losses. I mean, there was a week I wiped half my portfolio because I chased 3 coins back to back, and every single one rug pulled. That was the moment I knew something had to change. Until I learned these 6 filters and everything became clearer. If you're new to the channel, my name is MKD Synthetics. I post crypto updates, simple breakdowns, and tools that actually help you trade smarter. Hit that subscription button, and let's begin. Now look at the left side of DexScreener. This is where everything starts, your watch list, where you save the coins you want to track. Alerts, so you get notified the moment something moves. New pairs, where fresh tokens appear the second they launch. And gainers, showing you what's pumping right now. Then at the top, you'll see all the chains. Ethereum, BSC, Base. But for me, Solana is the best. Fast, cheap, predictable, and it's the chain I personally use every single day. Now, at the top navigation, there are 6 important filters you must use: hours, trending, age, liquidity, volume, and market cap. Last 24 hours. This pulls data from the past day so you can see what's actually moving right now. Use it when the market feels active or unpredictable. Keep it set to 24 hours. Trending. This shows the coins people are paying attention to. You want coins that have been trending long enough to show strength, but not too long to be overbought. Best setting, 6 hours. Age. This tells you how long the token has existed. New tokens move fast but are risky. Old tokens are more stable but move slower. Best setting, minimum 24 hours old. Liquidity. This is the money inside the trading pool. Low liquidity is where scams hide. High liquidity makes buying and selling smooth. Best setting, 10,000. Volume shows how many people are actively trading the token. Higher volume means energy and interest. Best setting, 50,000 volume. Market cap. This shows the size of the project. Smaller caps explode faster but crash harder. Bigger caps move stable but slower. Best setting, 50,000 market cap. Use these 6 together, and you reduce noise, filter out nonsense, and spot the coins with real potential. Now once you click on any pair, the first thing you should do is look at the right-hand panel. This is where you'll see the liquidity, FDV, market cap, and whether the liquidity is locked or not. If the liquidity is not locked, that's already a major danger sign. Unlocked liquidity means the developers can pull the entire pool at any moment, which usually leads to a rug, so always check that first. Next, scroll down to the transactions section. This is one of the most important parts of DexScreener. Here, you're looking for one thing. Are real people trading this coin, or is it filled with bots? A quick way to notice bots is simple. If every buy and sell happens at almost the exact same amount, with the same price and the same pattern, that's usually bot activity. Real humans don't buy in the same perfect numbers. If the buys and sells look copy-paste, avoid it. That's a big red flag. Now click on the Holders tab. This part shows you how the supply is distributed. Here's the rule. If the top holders, especially the first 10 wallets, control a huge chunk of the supply, that's dangerous. For safety, you want the top 10 wallets to hold less than 10% each. If you see a wallet holding 20%, 30%, or worse, just leave immediately. One whale can crash the entire chart in seconds. This simple check alone has saved countless people from bad plays. If this helped clear things up, make sure you subscribe. I drop updates and breakdowns that I wish someone gave me when I started. Don't miss the next one.